Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fix Windows 10 Store app error. Right-click Start menu, click Run. Type %, WinDIR %. Create new folder. Type AU install. AUI are capital letters. Agent. A is capital letter. Restart your PC and check Windows App Store. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.